Welcome back, guys, to our channel. Hold on. Better. Welcome back to our channel. Yeah, it's been a long 2 weeks, I can say, right? I don't know. Off camera, Victoria is changing, so that's why she's not on camera. Anyway, yeah, it's been a long 2 weeks, and we have done so much to the truck. We got our tires changed. We got our tires changed. We have fixed our plumbing. We redid our restroom situation. Victoria painted in here. Victoria's being nasty. Oh, anyway.
Are these mine or yours?
Those are mine.
What happened to my socks that I'm driving? I was looking for.
So, with that being said, so this past week we had also purchased a Harvest Host website, and you know, Harvest Host is for RVs and inverted campers, and you get to stay there. You know, it's a yearly subscription, and you get to stay there per night. And there's different wineries, museums.
You get to stay there one night.
One night per night. Yeah, one night per place. And there's different wineries, museums, farms. You know, just a lot of stuff that people just open up their property to. And so yeah, this week is our anniversary. So in a few days is going to be our anniversary. So Victoria and I just decided to just go and just.
You're gonna say anniversary.
So yeah, so this week is our anniversary week. Our 3rd year anniversary. And so we have our first Harvest Host tonight. We're gonna sleep somewhere tomorrow. And then the next 2 days after that, we have different Harvest Hosts, and we're gonna go up to the border of Oklahoma to see what they have out there. Yeah, guys, so just stick around. And thank you to all of our new subscribers, guys. We appreciate you guys so much. We're trying to get to 100. I think if we do 100, I don't know. Look, listen, if we get to 100 subscribers, we'll give $100 to somebody. Not to our subscribers, but some random person on the street. And it'll be a perfect time because Christmas is coming up. Yeah. Again, thank you guys to all of our new subscribers. We appreciate you. We appreciate all of our subscribers. It's amazing. Comment, like our videos, and comment. I mean, we love seeing those comments. We love seeing everything. So, yeah, guys, just check out this video. Harvest Host. Let's see what you got, guys. Check it out. So Victoria's driving. And this is the first time she's driven a truck in a fully loaded
on the highway.
On the highway.
Oh my gosh, guys! I literally saw my eyes flash before my life flash before my eyes. Thank you, Lord. Help me, Jesus.
We all saw our life flash before our eyes right now.
Yes. Jesus, take the wheel. Thank you, Lord.
So she was swerving because she was moving the steering wheel too much. So it does take a little bit getting used to, but once you get the hang of it, you got the hang of it. So we're almost there. We have 5 more miles left. This dog has been so anxious, but yeah, we're almost there at our Harvest Host. Victoria's driving, and yeah, very, 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 very interesting first couple of miles. So yeah, we'll come back to you guys when we get there. So we'll see. All right, guys, see you later. Bye. You can't. All right, we're parking in the driveway. We're driving up the driveway. How do you feel?
Good. We made it here in one piece.
That was scary. That was scary. Here we go. Sorry, I can't show y'all where we're at exactly. I don't know what the rules are for harvesting hosts. So that, yeah, I mean, I just don't know what the rules are to show you exactly where everything, or how everything works. So, but yeah, here we are. We're right here. I think you gotta go through that driveway right there. But yeah, so we're gonna find where we're supposed to be at, and then we will see where we're at. All right, y'all. So we made it to our place. What do you think?
The farm.
Nice host. They're very, very nice. It's our first one, so this is very,
Super
very,
sweet.
very cool. Very, very decorative spot, I guess you can say. It's a pumpkin day, so, but yeah, we'll show you some more video, but look where we're at right now. This is our view right here. And they have llamas? No, not llamas. What are they called?
Alpacas.
Alpacas. They have alpacas, and we're gonna go check those out a little bit later.
I guess you could say it's related in a way to llamas.
I guess, I don't know. I don't know anything about animals, except for dogs, except for my dog. But we're gonna walk through there maybe later. Yeah, they gave us free range. I mean, normally they don't allow pets to run around, but they were like, yeah, you can run around. He's been playing with their dog as well.
Thank you, Lord, for favor.
And so, yeah, we're just gonna chill out for the rest of the day, and we're gonna go buy some stuff from inside. And
we kind of already did.
Yeah, we kind of already did, but we'll show you guys what we got. But yeah, check this out. This place is amazing. So yeah, check this out. Alright guys, I think that's going to be it for us. I think that's going to be it for us today. Whatever. We're going to go inside, take a shower. Yeah, you know what? I think it might be a good idea to start showing how the shower is going to work. So, since it is a hidden shower, setting it up. It's our first time setting it up. We haven't used it yet. So, we'll set it up for you, take a shower. And then, yeah, so watch this, check this out. I'm tired. Alright, so we're going to show you how we do this. Like we've done it a lot. This is our first time doing this. We had all our stuff right here. We cleaned it out. So this is part of the floor, and then we just lifted it up. We're gonna have this whole
right here
area. And then now,
you have to show them what you did on top.
what we're gonna do, we're gonna put these
We
hooks.
actually put these little hooks everywhere. You can just hook up the shower.
Do it like this, and like this,
Will that reach the other side already?
and like this. Ooh, that's nice.
Maybe it'll reach all the way around. Honestly, guys, did it work? Please tell me it worked.
Like
Ooh,
that.
Maybe we should have gone outward a little bit. It's gonna be a tight squeeze.
And so,
Honestly, we kind of just went on a whim.
yeah, and it worked out pretty nice. Works this side.
We can kind of just peek over so they can kind of see what we did later.
Yeah, so here we go. We're right here, and this is what it looks like. We tried the shower already. I'm not gonna take a bath for y'all.
Yeah.
I don't know where she's going, but.
Anyways.
So anyways,
This is kind of our
that's our shower.
shower.
Victoria's gonna take a shower
Wait.
first.
Why are you all wet?
So Victoria's gonna take a shower first, and then I'm gonna take a shower, and then we're gonna go to bed. So that's day one harvest hose. Guys, if y'all don't have a harvest hose, y'all need to get it. It's amazing. You know, you never know where you're gonna end up. Amazing people. And so yeah, guys, we'll see y'all tomorrow.